Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The gold-dollar pair gained 0.3% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The euro-dollar pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.2%. The CCI is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The pound-dollar pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.1%. The Williams indicator indicates an overbought market. The Aussie dipped a slight 0.1% against the dollar in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an oversold market.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
World stocks stumbled again while the 10-year Treasury yield hit a 2-year high as bets that the U.S. Federal Reserve could raise interest rates as soon as March led investors to pair risky assets. Polygon is making some audacious claims to having set new speed and scalability milestones with its Plonky 2 technology in what may be a possible breakthrough for Ethereum throughput. Apple Inc. said that developers have generated more than $260 billion in revenue since the App Store launched in 2008, up about $60 billion from the figure it reported a year ago.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The UK's NIESR GDP estimate will be released at 1300 GMT. Australia's trade balance at 030 GMT. Australia's retail sales at 030 GMT. Japan's trade balance will be released at 2350 GMT. The UK's BRC like-for-like retail sales at 001 minute GMT. The US Redbook Index at 1355 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.